Hi everyone, today I am going to teach you about how to use conditional format on the Excel. First you have to type a chart as this. I am typing month and some quantities. Okay, Jan, Feb. You don't need to type month each and each. You can drag it as this. Okay, December. Okay, now I am going to type some quantities for my chart. Okay, there is it. You can see there are some quantities below 500, so I am going to show how to mark below 500 quantity. Now let's see how it's done. First mark your chart and then go to conditional formatting, create new rule. On the chart you can see there is like this, select a rule type, format only cell that contain, select it, then keep cell value same. You need to change this to what you need. If you need more than 500 quantity to be another color, then select this one. If you need to use less than, then please click this one. So okay, I am going to use less than or equal quantity to 500. Type it here, then go to format. On the format cell you need to select fill one, then select on the color what you need. I am going to mark it with red color. Click the color, then OK, then do this OK. As you see on the my chart, if there is less than 500, Excel will auto color it. Okay, even if I choose re-enter those values, automatically color will be changed to red color. Okay, next time I will teach you another lesson. So then, bye.